I mean, if I had to put one word on it, it would be fear. I mean, in terms of imagery, it's like having a big black dog right on your shoulder the entire time, who's about to bite your head off. And you have a mixed feeling of thinking, I'm so scared that I would rather just die.
And
But
after
you're
the
human.
fear,
Pardon me?
and after the fear, what was the next emotion or?
And the thing about that is it's really gradual. So there isn't kind of a moment when you think, oh, the black dog's gone now, I suddenly feel better. It's a really, really gradual process. I mean, I told you I remembered the exact moment, and that was because something in me triggered it was a film that I saw, and I thought, my daughter would love this film. And that was the moment that I knew that I'd stopped thinking only about myself. Because for those 3 months of fear, all I thought about was myself. All I thought about was my fear. And the moment I saw something and thought, yeah, my daughter would love this, I would love to show her this film because I know she would love it, I suddenly realized, oh, I'm not completely self-obsessed anymore. That fear and that complete self-obsession has now started to dissipate, and it didn't disappear from 1 minute to the next. I had one moment when it disappeared. And from that moment on, you say, okay, I can build on that one moment, and I can build more moments like that until eventually you build what I would consider to be your soul back again, which is caring for other people.